Hey guys, I have some socks for review today, some practical items. This is kind of business, office related attire for men. These can come in the three classic colors of dark navy, gray, and black. You can get a combination of those three colors on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check it out. They're pretty inexpensive. For this 6-pack of three colors, they cost about $15 on Amazon, so a little bit more than $2 a piece. In addition to these colors, they also come in 3 different sizes: small/medium, large, and extra large. For the most part, I think they do run true to size. It is mostly made out of cotton, so do expect some shrinkage if you do use to machine dry it. The design is very minimalistic, just nothing flashy about them, which is good since these are meant for business/work. What I do like about them is that the cuff at the top is sufficiently elastic, so it is able to stretch out if you have wider calves, and it's still able to constrict if you have narrower calves. However, I wish that the foot area was designed more ergonomically, especially to have a more constricting location near the arch area so that the sock would hug your feet better, because I do find that sometimes these socks do kind of sag down a little bit simply because they don't hug the bottom of my feet well enough. Something I also noticed, particularly on one of my pairs of socks that were still brand new, not even cut off from the label, is there are some loose ends, some little frays. I think they definitely could have cleaned this up a little bit better. The quality control could have been a little bit better as well. Just because of that, I am reducing a star, and also the fact that it's not as ergonomically feeling as I would hope. But if you're just looking for some inexpensive office socks, these are hard to beat for the money. They are very thin, lightweight, and they really match the look of the office style, and you can pick the colors that you need to really easily. So if that's what you're looking for, go ahead and check out the product. Link will be in the description.